till now we have studied fractions as part of a whole or part of something, and we have also seen how to compare fractions by drawing some pictures, visualizing them so that we can understand which fraction is greater. Now let us try to do or understand how to carry out comparing fractions without drawing pictures. In my last class we have compared 3 upon 8 and 5 by 8. This is the first type of comparison we have done where we have got same number at the bottom, that is same denominator. From our logic sense we can easily see that if 3 parts is taken out of 8 equal parts, and on the other hand if 5 parts are taken out of 8 equal parts, then obviously 5 by 8 will be greater. This will be the great. So we can write that 5 by 8 is greater than 3 by 8 just by what we are doing. We are comparing numerator, that is the number at the top. So if you are comparing two fractions having same denominator, then compare the numerators. If the fraction having the greater numerator is the greater fraction. Now let's take one more example, 2 by 5 and 4 upon 5. So deduce which one should be greater out of these two. In the first fraction, 2 parts are taken out of 5 parts. So, and in the second fraction, 4 parts are taken out of 5. So obviously over here 2 is less than 4, and both the fraction have got same denominator. Hence the fraction 2 upon 5 is less than 4 upon 5. You may take any example, 100 divided by 2, 4, 5, 6, and suppose say 999 divided by or upon 2, 4, 5, 6. Here you see again both the fractions have same denominator 2456, but the second fraction is having 999, which is greater than 100. So this fraction will be greater. Similarly, consider one more example, 44 by say 100, 22 by, pause the video and think which one is greater. Yes, you are right, this 44 is greater than 22, therefore 44 upon 100 is also greater than 22 by 100. This should be the symbol over here. I hope it's very easy. You should not make any mistake while answering such type of question, or you are asked to compare fractions having same denominator. At this point of time, I want to tell you there are questions in Olympiad where you are asked to arrange fractions in ascending or descending order. So I hope you know how to arrange. I hope you know how to arrange numbers. I hope you know how to arrange numbers in ascending and descending order. If you know how to arrange integer numbers in ascending and descending order, then it will be easy for you to arrange fractions in ascending and descending order, provided the denominators are same. Consider an example, 4 upon 16, 9 upon 16, 2 by 16, 13 upon 16, and 1 upon 16. Now if you are asked to arrange the given fraction in say ascending order means from, I hope you know what is arranging ascending order. Ascending order means from smaller to bigger. So this is how you arrange ascending order, from smaller number comes first and then you go to the highest number gradually. So here, as because you see the denominators are same, so we will compare the numerators, that is the top number, the number above the line. So you see over here which one is the smallest number. For arranging in ascending order, we need to take the least number first, or the least fraction first. So now comparing the numerator, we can find that out of these numbers 4, 9, 2, 13 and 1 is the smallest. So first of all 1 upon 16 is the lowest fraction over here. So 1 upon 16 is taken. So then out of the remaining 2 upon 16 comes next. Let me cut that down. Then 4, 9 and 13. 4 will come the next. So 4 upon 16. Then comes 9 upon 16. Then 13 upon 16. So the 5 number of fractions which were given, they were arranged in ascending order. And then if you are asked to arrange these numbers in descending order, then you have to start with the bigger number or the highest number. So 13 upon 16 will come first, then 9 upon 16, 4 upon 16, 2 upon 16, and lastly 1 upon 16. So if you are given fractions to compare having same denominator, then the fractions can be arranged either in ascending order or descending order by comparing the numerators only, and the arrangement is done as you do in case of integer numbers. I hope that makes some sense to you.